The hyperbaric chamber is designed to be able to take people and test equipment up to any altitude from 0 feet up to 100,000 feet. Any new equipment or any new aircraft coming into service, this facility is able to help test and help prove that it's safe for use. It's a large chamber, one of the largest in the country. It's capable of doing so many varied things as well. You can have human subjects take them up to certain heights, or explosive decompression testing for testing equipment to know what happens in the event of emergency. We've also got a smaller hyperbaric chamber for emergencies only. On the way back down from altitude, if they have decompression sickness and the bends, take them into the hyperbaric chamber, and we hope we never have to use it. Success here means that we've successfully tested and they're able to proceed into service with the equipment that's been tested. This will then help keep our people safe when they're flying around.